Here's the truth no one tells you. Money is not luck, it's not magic, and it's not even about how smart you are. Money is a skill. A skill you can learn, practice, and master, just like cooking, driving, or learning a new language. The reason most people stay broke isn't because they lack intelligence or opportunities, but because they never learned the skill of handling money. In this video, I'll break down why money is a skill, the 5 core skills you must master, and how you can train your money muscle starting today. Before we begin, hit subscribe and tap like, because this might just be the most important skill you'll ever learn. 1. Why money is a skill. Money follows rules and principles, just like any other skill. Example, you don't get lucky with cooking. You follow recipes, you practice, you improve. Same with money. People who say, "I'm just bad with money," are like people who say, "I can't play piano." You can, you just never practiced. Skills improve with repetition. That means anyone, yes, even you, can get good with money. 2. The 5 core money skills. Skill 1. Earning. Developing ways to increase income. Learning to provide value, negotiate, or create multiple income streams. Skill 2. Saving. Not just cutting expenses, but controlling impulses. Building the discipline muscle, choosing future over present. Skill 3. Budgeting. Giving every dollar a job. The rich plan their spending, the broke wing it. Skill 4. Investing. Making money work for you. Understanding assets versus liabilities. Learning compounding, the real secret to wealth. Skill 5. Mindset. Reprogramming beliefs. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," ask, "How can I afford it?" Mindset is the foundation that keeps all other skills strong. White right pointing backhand index call to comment. Which of these 5 skills do you think you're weakest in? Drop it below. I want to know. 3. How to train your money muscle. Practice daily. Track your expenses. Awareness builds control. Read 1 book about money each month. Education is practice. Surround yourself with people who are skilled with money. Skills rub off. Start small. Automate a little savings, invest a little, and grow as you learn. 4. Final message. Money is not luck. It's not something reserved for the few. It's a skill. And like any skill, if you practice it daily, you'll get better. So the real question is, are you ready to train your money muscle, or will you stay financially weak forever? If this video gave you value, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to hear that money is a skill, not luck. Comment below with the skill you'll start working on today. Because the truth is simple, once you master the skill of money, you master the art of freedom.